McGregor, the biggest star the UFC has ever had.
Conor McGregor écrit une page d'histoire quand il remporte le championnat des poids légers.
Didn't just do it. Did it flawless. Incredible performance.
Il devient ainsi le premier combattant à détenir simultanément le titre dans 2 catégories. McGregor renonce ensuite à son titre des poids plumes. Et José Aldo, l'un des meilleurs combattants de 145 livres de l'histoire, est promu champion incontesté.
We have ourselves a Brazilian champion again.
À l'UFC 206, le titre par intérim des poids plumes et un combat contre José Aldo est en jeu. Anthony Showtime Pettis a déjà détenu la ceinture des 155 livres. Depuis, il est passé chez les poids plumes. Avec un objectif précis.
I always wanted to be a two-divisional champion. Now there's only 3 guys that have ever done it. I can beat them at 4.
Make this count, come on, the best one's yet.
Whoever's the best at 145 pounds is who I want to fight.
Pettis affrontera Max Holloway.
Holloway is just in a gorgeous rhythm right now.
Le prodige hawaïen de 25 ans a déjà battu 9 adversaires d'affilée.
Look at these clean shots by Holloway.
There's always going to be one more guy. There's always going to be one more guy. You know, make up your mind and just accept that I'm the best in the world.
Suivez la vie et le camp d'entraînement d'Anthony Pettis et de Max Holloway. Alors qu'il se prépare à s'emparer du titre par intérim à Toronto.
Challenger, Anthony Showtime Pettis.
Depuis le début de sa carrière, il est évident qu'Anthony Pettis est spécial.
And this is a young man that certainly lives up to his nickname. And Pettis with some flash.
Il se hisse au sommet des 155 livres.
If you give this kid space, he is one of the nastiest strikers on all UFC roster.
Number 1 and number 2 are set to meet with the title on the line.
And those will pay off as the rounds go on.
Il obtient un combat pour le titre des poids légers et ne fait qu'une bouchée du champion en titre.
Beautiful job.
Il s'empare ainsi du titre mondial de l'UFC. Grâce à une soumission au premier round.
Anthony Pettis is the UFC lightweight champion of the world.
Unbelievable. That kid is so talented.
Sa première défense du titre est tout aussi impressionnante.
Anthony Pettis remains the UFC lightweight champion of the world.
Pettis s'attaque maintenant aux 145 livres et il a servi un avertissement à la catégorie.
What a statement.
Mais à l'UFC 206, l'ancien champion des poids légers en aura la ligne.
And here is the confident and charismatic Max Holloway.
Contre le combattant de 25 ans, Max Holloway.
Beautiful combinations and body shot by Max Holloway.
Holloway a remporté 9 combats d'affilée, un exploit inimaginable à ce niveau.
This kid got great striking, very good ground game as well.
Oh my goodness.
What I like to tell people is I take one fight at a time, you know. I'm always going for 1-0. I'm 0-0 every single fight.
Holloway continues to be the aggressor.
You talked about his combinations. That's something right out of a video game.
Plusieurs commentateurs disent que Holloway mérite ce combat pour le titre depuis longtemps.
Max Holloway finishes Cub Swanson.
Le jeune Hawaïen a toutefois fait la sourde oreille en se concentrant pour éliminer ses adversaires l'un après l'autre.
I ain't hope. Anything you ever want, you go out and go take it. I'm gonna take every single thing.
Wow, it looks like they're gonna swing to the very end.
You know, you just gotta keep on this pace, you know, 0-0 all the time, you know. I'm going for 1-0. So tune in, it's gonna be a great one.
L'UFC 206 a tout ce qu'il faut pour que Max Holloway réussisse, alors qu'il affrontera la grande vedette et ancien champion Anthony Pettis pour la ceinture par intérim des poids plumes de l'UFC.
All right, first round, let's go. Breathe, move it.
This fight, I'm looking forward to it a lot because, you know, coming up through my career, a lot of people compared me to Anthony Pettis.
Gauge reactions, gauge reactions. There it is, reactive.
I told everybody, you know, that's cool you comparing me to him, but let's not get one thing wrong. My name is Max Holloway, Max Bless Holloway. I ain't no Anthony Pettis.
Fight that body a little bit more. That's it, nice, Max.
If I go out there, do my thing, show everybody why I'm the baddest man alive, all that is erased, and maybe if people start saying he's like Max Holloway.
Depuis la perte de son titre des poids légers de l'UFC en 2015, Anthony Showtime Pettis cherche à redevenir champion.
You got it. Stay tall and tight.
Et à l'UFC 206, contre l'aspirant qui monte en puissance Max Holloway,
Come on. You got better than that. There it was.
il cherche à s'emparer d'une autre ceinture, celle des poids plumes.
2, 1, 5 minutes. A little more snap. Good. Gonna need that pop. There we go.
I'm gonna go out there and remind everybody who Anthony Showtime Pettis is. I feel like a lot of people have forgotten what I've done in the sport, and they're kind of writing me off.
Isolate that whole body. Get everything tight.
I was already the lightweight champ. Tougher division than the 145-pound division.
Come on, push it. Walk as tall as you can, core tight.
I know where my skill level's at. I just gotta get that mindset to match my skill, and no one's gonna beat me.
Come on, Ann, grind out. Let's go. Build that kicking power. Use your legs. One more.
Max has got a hell of a record coming into this fight, but he hasn't fought Anthony Pettis yet. Anthony has hit guys harder, knocked out bigger, better, more durable fighters.
Anthony Showtime Pettis.
And he's going to bring that power down to the featherweight division. Anthony said the best thing to me the other day, I'm going to knock this guy out.
Nothing weighs you down. All the way through 5 minutes.
I think the kid has skills.
Let's go, big one.
So I think, you know, it would make sense for me to get out there and show what I can do with this guy.
There it is. That one got under. And again, that buckled him. It is all over. Anthony Pettis choked out Charles Oliveira.
He hasn't faced a striker like myself. Plus, I got the submission skills to back it up, the wrestling, the size on him, and just the experience. And I've been out there on the big stages. I fought the big fights, and I know what I handle.
I see him winning multiple ways, imposing his will, being Showtime, putting on a highlight reel, and literally letting the fur fly. All the Anthony Pettis, yes! Attack the head, attack the head! Lynch form, beautiful!
I feel like I have a little more tricks up my sleeve than he does, but he wants to win bad. He goes out there and puts it all on the line.
It's all about the art of the blend.
He's gonna come in and try to bang with me. I think all that's combined is gonna unleash a beast when it comes to this fight.
Anthony Pettis et Max Holloway ont deux des styles les plus éclatants de tout le sport. Et à l'UFC 206, ils vont montrer leurs habiletés électrisantes. Mais un seul sera champion. Max Holloway se sent déjà comme le plus grand poids plume de la planète. Les actes sont cependant plus éloquents que les mots, et il est prêt à le prouver.
I'm the best guy in the world. A lot of these guys, they say, I'll do this, I'll do that, you won't do.
Gotta move, use your energy to move.
I'm gonna do it though. If you guys give me the opportunity, I'll show the world what I'm made of.
Anthony Pettis se battra pour son deuxième titre de l'UFC, et il a l'intention de ramener Showtime sous les projecteurs.
This is my stage, this is my time to go out there and remind everybody who I really am.
Oh, they get to the body.
I have a lot of fight left in me. I'm still a young guy in the sport, and I'm excited to go out there and just
Let's go, big dog. Nice.
live it all shine.